Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because it is Fukubukuro season. It's a Japanese tradition for lucky bags. So if you want to know what's in my Tatcha lucky bag this month, then keep on watching. So Fukubukuro is a Japanese New Year custom in which merchants make grab bags filled with unknown random contents and sell them for a substantial discount, usually 50% off. In this case with Tatcha, if you spend 100, you get 100 worth of products. If you spend 200, you get $200 worth of free products. So this is my first lucky bag. Yes, there's another one on the way, but this is my first $100 purchase. So of course with Tatcha, the packaging can't be beat. You get a personalized note from Tatcha that talks about the product that you bought, and then you also get 3 free samples with every purchase. I did get to pick the 3 samples, so I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to try the dewy serum, their cleansing oil, and the last one is the powder. So for my $100 purchase, I bought the Tatcha Silk Cream. It's $125 for a 50 ml jar. This is a gel cream and it's the type of moisturizer that is a mix between their water cream and the dewy serum. So it's the in-between type of moisturizer, which is perfect for my skin type. The packaging is of course gorgeous. There's usually a small message or a wellness message inside the box. So this is what the jar looks like. Inside, there's a spatula to help you scoop up the cream. Look how pretty this is. So this is a gel cream, which is a mix between their dewy and their water moisturizer. This contains Japanese superfoods. It has a liquid silk protein which parallels to the amino acid structure of the human skin. So it really works nicely as a moisturizer. And this is their anti-aging moisturizer, guys. So after 2 weeks, 90% of test subjects actually agreed that their wrinkles and fine lines were softened. All right, guys, are you guys ready for the lucky bag? Let's see if I'm lucky this year. The packaging is the classic Tatcha purple. If you buy the $200 lucky bag, then the packaging is green. And in case you are wondering what the $200 bag looks like, I also have one from last year, and I'll make sure to link that video in the description box below. The first item in my lucky bag is the vitamin C serum, and it's $29 for a travel size like this one. I do like this serum. I've tried it before when I got it in my lucky bag last year, and this one is about a third of a size of a full-size product, so not bad. The next item that I got in my lucky bag is the liquid canvas, which is basically the liquid form of their silk canvas. It is a primer before makeup, and this is perfect for acne prone or oily skin types. I'm excited for this one. This is Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Mist. It is $22 for this size. Actually gifted this to my friend last year because she had dry skin, but now that I have dry skin, I really want to check it out and try it myself. The next item is the Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. It is a serum in moisturizer type of product. This is a small sample, and just by my estimate, I'm guessing it's around $22, $23. So as I'm editing this video, I put this on as part of my skincare routine tonight. and it feels thick, and it took a while to absorb, but we'll see how it goes. So the last item in my mystery bag or lucky bag are these packets, and they are basically 3 rice polishes because Tatcha has 3 different types. And all I can say is I'm not that happy with this bag. Tatcha has never put like these sample packets before in their lucky bag, or at least I've never seen one. So yeah, I'm not excited about this. I'm hoping that maybe they missed putting some items in the box. So I will be calling customer service because this is not $100 worth of products. Looking at the card that came with the lucky bag, it does have all of the products that they intend to put in this bag, and I'm thinking this is it. So sad. This is definitely the lower end of the Tatcha lucky bags because I've seen well over $100 worth of products. Hopefully my second lucky bag isn't gonna be this same one. So we're gonna have to find that out together. Stay tuned for the second Fukubukuro bag. Hopefully my luck will change, so stay tuned. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!